Hello friends, and welcome back to part 2 of moving in with us to our new home. If you're new, welcome to the family. Please like and subscribe so that you can keep up with all the amazing things that are happening within this platform. Please tell your friends and tell your sisters to tell their sisters to tune in. I love you guys. Enjoy. Earlier on this day, we had some people come over from a mattress cleaning company to come and give our bed some loving honey because it needed it. As you can see, it's still a little bit damp on the side because they went all in. They also did the carpet on one of our spare rooms, and they were also amazing. I am not going to be sharing much of the master bedroom so far because it still has a lot of work to do, and we want to share it once everything has came together the way we want it to. However, I thought let me just share few glimpses so that you can see the progress that has happened so far. On this day, we were receiving our couch. Of course, I was over the moon, but the guys had to struggle a little bit because we are quite up. But they did an amazing job putting it together, and the rest was obviously up to us. This is one of the spare rooms. Of course, there are a couple of things that my partner and I still want to tweak and change and add, but this is just to share the progress as a follow-up from vlog number 1. We went to purchase our television at Macro, and this was literally the last television on stock, guys, so I was obviously buzzing. As we were paying for ours, there were literally people right behind us who were trying to see if there isn't any other, maybe somewhere by accident within the store. But yeah, I was very happy about it. We headed home, and of course it still needed to be mounted, of which I am going to show on the next coming vlogs as to how it looks like, because that has been done, but we just plugged it in so that we can see if it works, and yeah, continued with everything else that still needed to be done. One thing about our home, guys, is that it has the most amazing views. Don't get me started on the sunset, and I am a sucker for sunset views. So every day I am literally grabbing my phone, taking different videos. So bear with me if you're getting views that look a bit more like this a little bit more often on this vlogs. I'm just a girl, guys. I'm just a girl. Realized that I have not really shown you guys what it looks like in the front. I've just been showing a lot of what's happening in the back, but yeah, this is the view of the front. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next vlog that I'll be dropping soon. See you then.